Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Kim and today I would like to explain to you about the prophecy of no rain for 1260 days. If we read Revelation 11 verse 3 through 6, it says, there will be no raining for 1260 days. And I believe it will begin on April 1st, 2023 until September 11, 2026. If you read Revelation, there you can find two different expressions about the times. 1206 days, it refers to first 3.5 years. And 42 months, it refers to second 3.5 years. So the first part, it is about the time for Jesus. And the second part, it is time for the dragon. So there will be equal opportunity shall be given to both parties. And during this 1260 days, Jesus, he will give authority to two witnesses. And these two witnesses is two prophets. And if you go Revelation chapter 12, 14, it says two wings of eagle. So two wings means two witnesses, and eagle it means prophets. If you go to Job chapter 39 verse 29, eagle can see far. So it means eagle is prophets. And also Isaiah chapter 46 verse 11, God will call a eagle from the east. So eagle means prophets. So two prophets means two wings of eagles. And two prophets, they are going to nourish 144,000. So this is the time of nourishment and sealing. And if you search the word Zion in Hebrew, it means drought. So during this time, there will be no raining. That is why the 144,000, they shall be standing on the Mount Zion. And Zion means drought or dryness. And then 42 months shall be coming, and this is a time of great tribulation. And during this time, white multitude shall be coming out of the great tribulation. And this is for the Gentile. So as you can see, God will give 1206 days to Jesus, and then dragon, he will have 42 months to persecute the Christians. Let me show you one more pictures. As you can see, no 1,206 days by two witnesses, and it will be 2023 through 2026. And Jesus promised, if two of you on earth agree about anything they ask for, it will be done for them by my Father in heaven. So Matthew 18:19, Jesus, he talks about two prophets. So Revelation 11, there are two witnesses, two prophets, and they are going to pray for no rain for 1260 days. And God the Father, he will answer to their prayer. So that we have to understand this date has to be studied by the prophecy so that we can agree upon this date and we can pray together. And as you know, there are 5 billion of people on this planet. They do not even believe the Bible. And these people, they need this prophecy. So that during this time of drought, everybody will know who the true God is. So this drought shall bring lots of pagan people to Jesus Christ. And as you can see, there are Luke 4:25, James 5:17, and Revelation 11:6. And as you can see, these 3 verses, it is all talks about 3 years and 6 months drought. Luke chapter 4:25, this is spoken by Jesus. And Revelation 11:6, this is revelation of Jesus Christ. And James is son of thunder. And we have to understand Luke chapter 4 verse 25. This is spoken by Jesus. And Jesus talked about sky shut in the time of Elijah and great drought in the time of Elijah. And Jesus even says that 3 years and 6 months. And James, 3.5 years of no rain in the time of Elijah. And Revelation, 2 witnesses, sky shut and no rain for 1,206 days. So 1,206 days, 3.5 years. And I believe Luke, let me check. Luke chapter 4, verse 25. Yeah, here also talks about 3 years and 6 months. So, same story. And sky shut and sky shut. No rain, no rain. And great drought. So if you read these 3 verses with prayer, you will understand Revelation 11:6 actually talks about literal no rain for 1,206 days. So brothers and sisters, we must prepare ourselves for this coming drought. And we must fully obey and trust Jesus Christ. That is the only way we can survive. So, brothers and sisters, this is time to study the prophecy. And if you study the prophecy, and if you agree upon 2023 April 1st as the beginning of no raining prophecy, then we can pray together. Because we have to understand 5 billion of people, they do not have any respect on the Bible. So we must bring them to Jesus Christ. And only way we can make them to surrender to Jesus, it is no rain for 1,206 days prophecy. So we can pray together so that we can bring many people to Jesus Christ. Many pagan people. God bless you.